Hello dear children. Hope you all are keeping fine and healthy. Today we will learn the formation of small letters A to Z in your English notebook. So let's start. So children, before starting the classwork, don't forget to put the date and classwork at the top. The heading is Write in small letters A to Z. So let's start with the first alphabet A. Within the blue line, make a circle like this and a standing line down A. Then B. Starting from the red line, a standing line down till the blue and a curve to join that standing line B. Then C. Within the blue line, make a curve like this to form C. Then D. From the red line, standing line down till the blue and a curve joining that standing line D. Then comes E. Within the blue lines, a slipping line and a curve like this to form E. Then comes F. Starting from the red line, make a curve like this and a standing line down and a short slipping line F. Then comes G. Within the blue line, make a circle like this and a standing line down, take a curve G. Then comes H. A standing line from the red till the blue and a jump H. Then comes I. A short standing line down and a dot at the top to form I. Then comes J. Starting from the blue line, come straight down to the red and make a curve and a dot at the top to form J. Then comes K. Starting from the red line, a standing line down till the blue, slanting line inside, slanting line outside, K. L. Starting from the red line, a standing line down till the blue and take a turn like this, L. Then comes M. A short standing line within the blue lines and one jump, second jump, M. Then comes N. Within the blue lines, make a short standing line down and a jump like this, N. Then comes O. Within the blue lines, make a circle like this to form O. Then comes P. Start from the blue line, make a standing line till the red line and a curve like this joining the standing line to form P. Then comes Q. Within the blue lines, make a circle like this and a standing line down till the red and a slanting line up, Q. Then comes R. Within the blue lines, make a short standing line down and a half curve like this to form R. Then comes S. Within the blue lines, make a curve like this and another curve like this to form S. Then comes T. Start from the red line, a standing line down till the blue, and make a curve like this, and a short slipping line. T. Then comes U. Within the blue lines, standing line down, up, and a standing line down, U. Then comes V. Slanting line down till the blue, slanting line up to form V. Then comes W. Within the blue lines, short slanting line down, slanting line up, slanting line down, and slanting line up, W. Then comes X. Within the blue lines, slanting line this side, another slanting line this side, crisscrossing each other will give you X. Then comes Y. Within the blue line, a slanting line down, another long slanting line down to form Y. Then comes the last alphabet, that is Z. Within the blue lines, slipping line, slanting line, another slipping line. So children, please have a look at the correct formation of the small letters from E to Z.
Thank you, dear children. Take care of yourself.